Rubber plant. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a very popular and beautiful houseplant that is not only pleasing to the eyes but also improves the indoor environment. Yes, we are talking about the rubber plant. The rubber plant, scientifically known as Ficus elastica, is a species of evergreen tropical tree native to Southeast Asia. In its natural habitat, it can grow very tall, but when grown indoors, it becomes a manageable decorative houseplant. One of the most attractive features of the rubber plant is its large, glossy, dark green leaves. These leaves have a thick texture and a waxy coating that gives them a shiny appearance. Some varieties also have reddish or burgundy-colored leaves, which make them look even more elegant. Rubber plants are known for their air-purifying qualities. According to NASA's Clean Air study, the rubber plant can remove toxins like formaldehyde from the air, making your indoor environment healthier and fresher. This plant is low maintenance and perfect for beginners. It does not require constant care or attention. With the right amount of water, light and temperature, it can thrive beautifully inside your home or office. Let's talk about care tips. First, light. Rubber plants prefer bright, indirect sunlight. Too much direct sunlight can burn the leaves, while too little light will make the plant leggy and weak. A spot near a window with filtered light is ideal. Second, watering. Water the plant when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is a common problem with indoor plants. In winter, reduce watering frequency as the plant's growth slows down. Third, temperature and humidity. Rubber plants prefer temperatures between 16 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing them near cold drafts or heating vents. They also enjoy moderate humidity. If your indoor air is too dry, you can mist the leaves occasionally. Fourth, soil and fertilizer. Use well-draining potting soil. You can also mix some perlite or sand into the soil for better drainage. During the growing season, from spring to early autumn, feed the plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month. Pruning is also important. If your rubber plant gets too tall or leggy, prune the top to encourage bushier growth. You can also remove any yellow or damaged leaves. Now let's talk about propagation. Rubber plants can be propagated through stem cuttings. Take a healthy cutting with a few leaves, place it in water or moist soil, and within a few weeks, it will develop roots. Rubber plants also have a symbolic meaning. In Feng Shui and Vastu, they are considered lucky and are believed to bring prosperity, wealth, and positive energy into the home. That's why many people place them near the entrance or in the living room. Be careful though. The milky sap of the rubber plant can be irritating to the skin and is toxic if ingested, especially for pets. Keep it out of reach of children and animals. To conclude, the rubber plant is an excellent choice for anyone looking to add greenery, beauty, and clean air to their indoor space. Its elegant leaves, low maintenance, and positive symbolism make it one of the best indoor plants you can have. Thank you for watching.